In the previous class, we discussed about lake and river. Today, we will start with waterfall. When river falls from a height, a spectacular sight is created. Spectacular means amazing. Sight is created. This fall of a river over a rocky edge is called waterfall. Here you can see the river is falling from this mountain. So this type of view is known as waterfall. Some of the waterfalls are important tourist spots. People visit these places to see this beautiful view. Examples are the Niagara Falls and the Victoria Falls are some of the important waterfalls. Next is ocean. Oceans are the largest and deepest water bodies on the earth. They contain salty water. There are 5 main oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest among all the 5. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean which is named after a country, India. It lies to the south of India. Many aquatic. Aquatic means animals that live in water. Aquatic creatures and plants are found in oceans. Different types of plants and animals are found in oceans. Next is sea. A sea is a large body of salty water on the surface of the earth. Some seas are enclosed by land. The land along the edge of the sea is called a sea beach. Beaches are famous for natural beauty, the golden sand and sea waves. People visit these places, go to sea beach and enjoy this beautiful view. Many mountains and deep valleys are also found under the seas and oceans. Seas and oceans also contain mountains and valleys under water. Have you ever thought why is sea water salty? Because when the river flows, they passes over different types of rocks. So they carry with them the minerals and salts present in the rocks. Rivers deposit, collects them in the seas and oceans. Whatever minerals and salts they carry, they deposit them in the seas and ocean, which makes the water salty. The salt used in our homes is made from the salty water of seas and oceans. The salt which we use in our home is made from seas and oceans. Important seas are Arabian Sea, Mediterranean Sea. Next is island. An island is a group of land surrounded by water from all sides. It is a group of land which is surrounded by water from all the sides. Island appears to be floating over the sea. Since they are surrounded by water, it appears to be floating over the sea. But they also extend down the sea. Here you can see this part of island seems to be floating above this sea. And here the rest part of this island is under the sea. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. There are also many island countries like Sri Lanka, Maldives, Japan. Next topic is peninsula. The word peninsula is derived from Latin word penny, which means almost, and insula, which means island. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. The difference between an island and peninsula is that island is surrounded by water from all sides and a peninsula is surrounded by water from 3 sides. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Here you can see this is the map of India. The southern part of India. It is surrounded by water from three sides. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. Since it is surrounded by water from three sides, so the southern part of India is a peninsula.